Mentors and technical leaders can help with many different aspects of a project. The obvious answer is to say project management, design, engineering, and construction. However, there are several other aspects of a project that are equally as important in the success of a project. Examples of that include cultural knowledge, such as language or cultural norms. Other examples include health, safety aspects of a project. Environmental issues and local economics are also concerns and areas that can impact the success of a project. A good example of where local economics or just economics of a project can play a big role or important role in the success of a project is from a community engineering core project in Charlotte Hall, Maryland. The community is called Independence Village, and they have a system that needed to be, a water system that needed to be replaced. And we were able to support the community, and lead an effort in doing an economics analysis of how to replace the system and what kind of repairs need to be done, and ultimately provide them feedback on grants, loans, and other options for the community to pursue in order to replace and repair their system. This included a full economic analysis and present worth calculations, and being able to assess, you know, in what a monthly loan payment would look like for each member of the community. And so the local economics here became a huge factor in assessing what the right alternative was for this community. Good mentors and technical leaders have fairly consistent attributes across projects. Strong communication being one, being able to communicate technical or engineering knowledge to non-engineers is an important aspect of being a mentor and technical leader. Having respect for the local cultures and understanding the cultural norms of the community you're working with is also important. Understanding the community-driven approach and project process is also important, and EWB provides several guides and approaches to do that. Sustainable and culturally accepted technology is important. We want to make sure that any project that's implemented is going to be sustained, and that the community takes ownership and can sustain the technology or the approach that was used. And lastly, long-term commitment and accountability to the community. We want to make sure that the project team understands the commitment that they are making, and that mentors and tech leads lead that team in a way that shows accountability to the community and conveys our commitment to the community. For international or long-term projects, openness to the experience of living with host communities and being adaptable to that environment is also important. There are different qualifications required for prospective mentors and technical leads. For example, design and engineering experience, project management experience, construction management experience, and international development experience are all skill sets that chapters need for mentors and technical leads.